Hi there. In this series, I want to show an example of documentation driven development, which I just did for a real client. This is a project that, under normal circumstances, we would have spent at least one sprint on design, which is about 20 hours of design work, and at least two development sprints to build the application, which is it's about 100 hours of billable time for each development sprint with the development, the individual contributor who's writing all the code, and then the management type folks who are involved in the projects. So that's a total of about 220 hours plus like the normal onboarding and things that we go through. There's some sweat equity that goes into that. So I would say probably even more time than that would normally get spent on a project like that. This is the project right here. It's working and it's deployed via Vercel, and it took 9 hours and 45 minutes to get it to this far, which I would consider to be about 90% complete. 90, 95. It's integrated with LinkedIn. You can come in and you can add your LinkedIn details. Once you add your LinkedIn details, it's going to pull back your ad campaigns from LinkedIn. Uh, when you get your ad campaigns, it has a stateful multi-step wizard that will collect informations about your ads, and then it will audit and score how good your ads are targeting what you want to do on LinkedIn. Right there, it's doing the calculations, and it comes back and it rates your performance. This is all built as a Vercel app on top of Supabase with integrations, and I think it's a great real-world example of the productivity gains you can get from DocDD. In this series, the first call is with me and the client, where we go through all of the requirements and I show how to get those requirements very quickly organized for consumption by AI agents. Then from there, we move on to getting the infrastructure of the application set up, what I like to call a walking skeleton, which is just a deployed app that has all of the pieces you need. From there, we generate all of the plans for the various features we need to build to call this app complete. We jump into using Lovable to create the UI that you're looking at here, which was also done using the product owner agent that we created in the beginning to analyze all the requirements. In conjunction with those two, we took that lovable design, we used documentation driven development to create a plan for moving our working proof of concept, which connected to LinkedIn, pulls back the information, allows doing some scoring. We use DocDD to create a plan for making that look like the pixel perfect version of the lovable design. We then, once we had that done, it was just a little cleanup, and that's kind of where we are right here. We reviewed it with the client, who was very happy with what they saw, and now I just have one round of feedback to call this finished and shipped. So I think it's a really compelling case study. If you're looking at accelerating your AI development and you're tired of small toy examples that don't show real world projects, then this series might be for you. So let's go ahead and jump right in.